So here are 5 things to do if you are experiencing holiday blues or the people that you love. Number 1 is to plan ahead. Sometimes, dahil nga nagkaka-last minute na biglang masistress ka na, wala na akong regalo. So it's good that you plan ahead. Number 2, set realistic expectations. Kasi minsan yes lang tayo ng yes eh. Doon tayo napapaso eh hindi naman natin pala kaya. And biglang may sudden things happening in our lives na hindi natin mapanindigan. And number 3 is self-care. We tend to neglect in taking care of ourselves, in having adequate rest, adequate sleep. It can also be minsan, baka nga hygiene, wag naman sana naliligo pa rin tayo at nagtututbrush. Pero sometimes dahil sa stress, hindi na natin magawa. Or maybe to the women, hindi na makapag-make up. Number 4, connect with others. It's important